How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to our brand new video for your Fitbit Watch Inspire 2. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you how you can turn up your green light from your Inspire 2. Now, so there's a lot of users who are using the Fitbit watch, but the only problem they're facing with, they're saying their green light is keep flickering and keep turning on, and they don't even know how to turn these features off. If you want to turn it off on your watch, the first thing that you want to do, guys, you want to just press this touch button from both sides unless you see some additional settings. Now, once you see the additional settings over here, you want to scroll down. You want to keep scrolling down unless you see this option called One Wrist. Now, just go ahead and tap on there, and now you have to scroll down. And then, well, this is going to say heart rate, sleep, and other features aren't available. So if you enable this one, then what is going to happen? You will not be able to measure your heart on this watch. So if you agree, just go ahead and tap on this mark icon here. And now, if you come back to the side of your watch, you'll be able to see green light is completely gone. So this is no longer flickering off the back of your Fitbit Inspire 2 watch. Now, of course, if you want to really turn it back on, you got to go to the same spot and just turn it on, and then your problem will be solved. So this is how you guys can turn on and off your green light flickering problem on your Fitbit Inspire 2. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.